Ladies, let me do it first. Dad, we're not kids anymore. We're teenagers. Whatever, I got this. Okay, I failed. At least I stay and sitting right in front of it. Glad I found you girls. You could have hurt yourself, especially you, Scout. Hey! Dad, what is it? Well, I just need to look out after my girls. We're teenagers! We don't need your help anymore. We're like, 17. Well, actually, I'm 16. Whatever. Well, I still need to look after you as a parent. No, you don't! Okay. And Slush, what? So the final one safe is... What? Actually, why am I panicking? Wow, with 3 votes. Yes! Yay! And Slush is out with 5. Do you have anything to say, Slush? Yes. Seriously, viewers, I was just trying to protect my kids. We're teenagers! So, yeah, why would you vote for me? I'm just protecting them. And you're just as mean. That's it. You're no longer my friend. Wait, we were not friends. Anyways, well, I will come back. Wait, will I? Wait, is there rejoining? Yes. Okay. Anyways, I actually just realized something. My kids are now teenagers. They're 17 and 16. That's what we were saying this whole time! Anyways. Wait, where's the elimination center? Up there. But why is that elimination? We weren't there on the first episode. Don't question it! Ah!